Creamy coleslaw with tahini Dijon dressing recipe. Yield: 6 large servings, 12 small servings. Prep time: 20 minutes. Total time: 20 minutes. Ingredients: salad. 1/2 medium green cabbage, cored, thinly sliced, about 5 cups packed. 2 medium carrots, peeled, shredded. 1/2 large daikon radish, peeled, shredded, pressed to drain fluid, about 2 cups packed, optional. 1/3 cup 45 grams raw sunflower seeds. Ingredients: dressing. 1 lime, juiced, approximately 2 tablespoons or 30 milliliters. 1/3 cup 75 grams tahini sesame seed butter. 1 tablespoon 15 milliliters Dijon mustard. 1/3 cup 75 milliliters water. 2 teaspoons 10 milliliters apple cider vinegar. 2 teaspoons 10 milliliters agave syrup. Directions. 1. Place all dressing ingredients in a blender on high, stopping occasionally to scrape down sides. Continue until creamy and well combined. 2. Toss all salad ingredients and dressing in a large bowl. Ideally, allow the salad to sit for at least 15 minutes for the cabbage to soften. Serve and enjoy. Notes. Storage: store in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 24 hours. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends. For most informative videos, please subscribe and like our channel.